Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with Saturday morning crafts. Our hosts are Scrap Passion 01, who is Betty, and Markisha, who is Sweet Papery Treasures. Here on YouTube, we're doing a monthly collaboration, and this is the second Saturday of the month, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to share with you some of the dies that I used. I did not pull every single die, but I pulled several, and then I'll show you what I created. So let's get started. Also, I don't want to forget to mention, there are several other ladies that are in this collaboration. Check the description box below. Links to their channels will be there so you can follow the collaboration. Several talented ladies, so check them out as well. All right, so here is this first die that I used. It looks like this, and it creates a really cute treat box. I used this die set right here, and this unicorn die, really cute. I used my Hedi Swap Memory Decks card, well, not card, but dies. I used this die right here, and I also used this die set right here. Actually, yep, this unicorn and rainbow set, and it's really cute. So let me show you what I created. First, I'm going to share with you my Memory Decks card, and I actually did take a picture of it in my Kodak mini printer video that I shared recently. I didn't actually show what I made, but this is the picture that I printed from that Kodak mini. If you missed that video, I will link it in the description box below so you can check it out. But I was able to print out my little selfie using that compact wireless printer, and it came out really cute. So what I decided to do was make a Memory Decks card using the Hedi Swap dies, and I just used some fun paper from Michaels. I used the popsicle dies that stay cool, and it's embossed in there. I did do a little shimmer mist on the popsicles, some rhinestones on the top, and another bow die, which I did not pull, but I love that bow die. Really cute. And then this is just a sticker that I think I got from Hobby Lobby. And then on the back, it says Scrapdiva29, and then I'll have all my information because I plan on giving this to a friend in a swap. So I think that came out really cute. All right, up next here is the treat box that I made, and I think it came out absolutely adorable. There is the box. It has a really cute scalloped edge around it. And then I used some star acetate paper, and I did pick it up from Michaels. It's a Recollection brand, in case you're wondering. And then I die cut out the word believe, and I think that came out really cute. I can't talk, you guys. And it has gold there. It's kind of hard to see, but there's gold stars on the acetate paper, so really pretty. And then you just open it up, and the box looks like this, and it has the scalloped edge on the bottom as well. So really cute treat box. I did use another die from my stash. It creates a crayon box, so I made a unicorn themed box. I used this scalloped heart, and again I used the unicorn. I used some gold foil paper to die cut out the unicorn, and it makes a really nice impression. It's an embossed impression. And then I die cut out the word magical from that die set, and then included a little heart sticker. And then there's the clouds on the bottom. Really cute. And this is what the back looks like. And this is the die cuts with a view double-sided paper. And then these are some tiny little hearts that I die cut out that has like a tiny scalloped edge around it. So super cute treat box. And then lastly, I did make another card. I did use this bow die, which I just recently shared with you guys. And I created this card, and I used glitter cardstock to create the bow. I have the star or the heart stitched dies that I used on this card front, as well as this die right here. It's the word hugs. I do apologize, I did not pull all the dies. I am actually getting ready to go out of town, and my time is limited. So I'm trying to do this video quickly for you guys. I'll try to link as many products as I can for you if you're wondering which ones I used in today's video. But what I did was I die cut it out 3 times in different colored glitter cardstock, and I think it came out really, really cute. It might be a little bit busy, but I kind of like it. And then on the inside of the card looks like this, and then I use that scallop square, and it says big hugs, and that's another die from my stash. And I cut it out of glitter cardstock. So super, super cute. I like the way this card came out. And then of course I stamped it on the back. And I think that is it. That is all I have to share with you for today. Please, of course, leave a comment. I will be doing a giveaway. I will be on vacation for 2 weeks, so you guys won't see me for the next 2 weeks, but when I get back, I will have something put together. So make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will do some type of giveaway. I don't know what I'm going to give away yet, but it'll be something good, I promise. All right, you guys, check out the other ladies that are in this collaboration today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.